everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. So I want to go ahead and thank Appearanz for sending me this package which consists about 4 different lashes, and I'm gonna try it on for you and let you guys know how it feels, whether it's comfortable, whether it will poke your eyes, whether you can actually use it on a daily basis. Lashes, you guys know the drill. So without any further ado, let's get this video started and let me go on and try on this Appearanz lashes. I cannot wait, guys. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a very nice white and black border strip. I always like a nice white and black packaging. So opening up, we have 4 different lashes right here to try on today. I think these are their best sellers eyelashes, and looking at it right now, I think, oh, I'm gonna love it, guys. Seriously. Let's go and try on individual eyelashes and I'll let you know the name of the eyelashes, and the link will be all down below in my description box. So first one, this beautiful one right here, and the packaging is actually beautiful. I don't know whether you can see it through the camera, but it has like a very nice marble like, it looks so fancy smanchy. So opening up, it looks like this. Okay, and then you pull it out, and it's so cute the way they put the lashes upside down. Normally lashes will come the other way around, but the reason why they put it in this way is because when you look at it, then you know that this goes for this eye and this goes for this eye. It's brilliant. And the name of these lashes is On Point. Right there, I don't know whether you can see it. It's called On Point. The background is like, oh my god, to die for. It's like glitter. Glitter! Okay, so guys, this is the footage of me taking through my normal handphone. You can see the background. The lashes is actually glitter, and the packaging around it is really, really beautiful. It has a very nice iridescent marble-ish white effect. Really, really love it. So let's go ahead and try the first lashes out. Okay, pulling the lashes out, you can see the band is very, very thin, guys. Oh wow! Oh my god, it is so freaking comfortable, and look how beautiful it looks. With, without. I mean, it is soft. It's really, really soft. So this is the lashes called On Point. Okay, so second lashes we're gonna try out is called Heartbeat. Okay. Oh my god, so this is Heartbeat on. Ooh, not for the faint of heart, guys. Seriously. Look at that. Super beautiful, and it's so comfortable and so soft. Like, wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and try on the next lashes. It's called Stunner. This is definitely a showstopper, guys. Wow. A bit bulky, but it's still super comfortable. So now moving on to the last lashes. I think my eyelids needs to go through a massive detox. The last one comes in a very, very cute packaging. Okay, so this eyelashes is called Waves. Let's go ahead and try Miss Wave out, where it looks so beautiful and so light. I think this one I don't even need to cut. I just need to apply it because it's so thin. Oh my god, this is wow. Waves? No waves. Waves? No waves. Okay, whew. There we go. Okay, so my overall thoughts and reviews on these Appearanz eyelashes, I love it. It is so comfortable, it's soft, it's lightweight. I can barely feel it on my eyelids. Right now I'm still wearing waves and it feels so comfortable to talk, so comfortable to blink. It's not poking, it's not pulling, nothing guys. It's just so comfortable. So all the links of the lashes will be down in the description down below, together with their website, with their Instagram page, everything I will say down below. If you guys don't want to take my word for it of how comfortable these lashes is, go ahead, go and purchase the lashes for yourself, go and test it out. Head over to their website, pick whatever lashes you want and enter the discount code called Sabrina10, and then you get 10% off, and then you enjoy 10% off, so you don't actually lose a lot of money. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I definitely did. So I love you guys so much. And yeah, if you guys want to know more about my braces journey, I've uploaded my first video, second video. Third video is upcoming, but I don't know, it should be coming up soon. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one.